Hi everyone. So I've got to talk about the Hornet EVO. Big surprise for Tamiya. I was absolutely made up when I first saw the pictures of it and started studying it closely. I've obviously had Tamiya's put out like a little 30-second promo video of it, and hopefully we'll get some more information maybe over the weekend. But yeah, I just wanted to chat about it. I think 10 out of 10 Tamiya. True Tamiya style. They do what they want, and it's kind of totally unexpected. Obviously, you know, it is the 40th anniversary of the Hornet. Came out in 1984, and obviously next year is their big sort of 50th anniversary of like RC cars. So I mean, hopefully this is a kind of precursor to some really interesting 50th anniversary models next year. I know you're all going to bang on about the 959. Well, let's wait and see. Maybe they'll just throw a curveball like this Hornet EVO. Anyway, so if you've not seen it, I'll put a picture up now. It's basically, they've taken a Hornet and it looks like they've kind of changed the rear gearbox, changed the rear suspension, changed the front suspension, so it's like double wishbone all round. It's got oil shocks as well. It says it comes with bearings. So yeah, I'll just show another picture of the rear end of the car, and I'm just going to talk about the DTO2. So as you can see, the motor's at the back of the car, just like the DTO2. I'll just zoom in a bit on that Hornet picture. So yeah, so if you now have a look at the DTO2 gearbox, I think you'll agree that pretty much matches to what we're seeing on the Tamiya video. The wishbones look different though. They look more kind of as if they've got like a bit of a gull wing effect. But the gearbox, my guess is it's probably out of the DTO2. Now the front end got double wishbones, which I think is brilliant. I love the fact they've kind of kept, it still looks retro, it still looks like a Hornet, you know, obviously the Hornet body, Hornet wheels, got the original Hornet bumper, but you know, I don't think it sort of spoils it in a way. And like I say, I absolutely love it. You know, I've already got mine on order from TTP. I'll put a link in the description. Anthony's doing them at 169, so that's a pretty good price. So yeah, if anybody wants one, get your pre-orders in with Anthony at TTP. So yeah, so let's look at the front end. I'll put a picture up of that. So you can see there's like a sort of, again, like a gull wing kind of wishbone type effect, adjustable links at the top. And also if I just zoom in a bit further on that picture, you'll see that the shock towers, they look slightly thicker and different to what they are. I've just pulled this out of a Storm Dragon, so obviously it's a Hornet chassis, and they look like they've got little slots in it here, and they look kind of thicker and slightly taller. So they've obviously changed that part of the chassis. So whether it's a complete new moulding, because obviously, you know, these are integrated into this. So yeah, so I'm really excited about it. I mean, as you can see, I do love a hopper. I've got my grasshopper here, which I think it's just brilliant fun. It even left the 380 motor in it. I think it's great with a little 380. And I've got the Super Storm Dragon. Still got that to build yet. Just show you a quick look in here for those that you haven't seen. It comes with a pre-painted body. But yeah, 10 out of 10 for Tamiya. You know, they could have just brought out the standard Hornet chassis, you know, stuck some gold wheels on it, maybe had gold decals or something, or you know, a chrome body or something, you know, and said, there you go, there's a 40th anniversary. But they haven't. They've stuck to the wheels, they've stuck to the tyres. The body looks pretty much the same shape, decals are different, and they've said, no, we're going to give you an upgraded Hornet with double wishbone suspension all around, and you know, a sort of proper gearbox with a motor hanging out the back. And I'm just so excited to actually get one and see how it goes together and see how it drives. And I think a lot of people out there are. So yeah, comment below what do you think of it. Let me know if you're getting one. And yeah, you know, what kind of mad things do you think they'll come up with for the 50th? Because like I say, I didn't see this coming, a reworking of the Hornet. What other cars might they kind of rework? Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what they've got up their sleeve. So yeah, Tamiya, well done. Anyway, cheers guys, bye.